To view the event history on a Gamewell-FCI E3 system, start by pressing Menu. It's option 6 for the log. Enter all 2s for the password. You can display the log by pressing 1. If you had a printer, you can print it with 2. Clear log, only do that if you're speaking to a technician on the phone. Sensitivity report is a service tool. So from a user standpoint, you want to display your log, see what happened yesterday. This is us just logging in. See that there was a reset, alarm acknowledge, silence, because there was an alarm on a photo detector. At loop 1, address S002. If you want to get more information, there's 2 pages of information. Pressing the backspace edit shows a second page that detector is in the corridor. Looking further back, we see that there was a missing on a thermal detector located in the mechanical room. That's something you may need to have serviced. To escape out of the menu, just press Menu until you're back to the System Normal screen.